Revolut's identity verification can fail, get stuck, or show errors due to document issues, technical glitches, or compliance checks. Common problems include blurry photos, unsupported documents, verification loop, something went wrong, or no code received. Quick fixes: check document requirements, use a valid, supported ID, passport, national ID, driver's license, not expired, damaged, or handwritten. Ensure details match your Revolut profile exactly. Name: take clear, well-lit photos without glare, reflections, or obstructions. Selfies must show full face clearly. No hats, masks, good lighting. Retry submission. In the app, go to Profile, Account, Personal Details, Verify Identity. Re-upload better photos or video. If stuck in a loop, close pop-ups and try via card activation flow. For example, add virtual card. Follow verification prompt. Troubleshoot technical issues. Clear app cache, settings, apps, Revolut, storage, clear cache or data. Restart phone, switch to strong Wi-Fi or mobile data, toggle airplane mode. Update the Revolut app to the latest version. For SMS or email code problems, wait for resend timer. Choose email verification instead. Contact support. Open in-app chat, profile, help, chat, or use website live chat. Provide screenshots of errors. If account is restricted, they may request additional proof, for example, confirmation letter. Response time varies, hours to days.